Hi, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate a project that I did for a client who needed their store's product availability to accurately represent the stock count at 6 different locations, one of which they did not want rendered on this right-hand in-store tab, as well as there being 17 variants on some of the products, as well as the option to add a tag so that the product would display as out of stock, and an option to add a tag that would display on the product page that there's an ETA, including the specified date of when it will be restocked. Okay, so I'm going to show you and demonstrate that to you right now. I'm going to start with this product that has 17 variants. So as you can see with this specific variant, it says in stock for the online availability, which is the total stock for all the stores. And it says low stock at this specific store here, but then there's also one available. When it says low stock, that means there's one available at that store, but then there's also one available at this store that's not rendered. And I'll show you that on the Shopify back end here. You can see how there's only one available at this this retail location. There's 5 retail locations and then one warehouse. And that extra one is at the warehouse. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So it says in stock. And then when it's low stock, like this, when there's only one total in stock, it'll display as low stock, called a check. And then you can see over here on this right-hand side how it says low stock for this specific store. And I'll show you how that looks on the back end. So you've got that one only at that one retail store. Now there's another store that has negative values, which they were having a problem with because if you take this value, which is the Shopify's total inventory for all the stores, it's going to not represent the actual inventory value, which should be displayed, which is 1, because there's one available, not 0 or less than 0. So what we did was configure that through an API, which parsed through all these values and excluded the negative values so that, let's go to that, that's 9.5, so that when it displays, it's accurate based on the total without the negative values. Low stock called a check, although there is that negative value for 9.5. And then here's another example of negative values. This one has the total of -3, but there are 2 available at this one retail store. So let me show you how that is accurately displayed in stock, and then in store it has the 2 available here. All right, now I'm going to show you the products that have the ETA and out of stock tags. Here's a product with the ETA tag, and it has the specific date. And I'll show you on the back end how that's easily updated without any need of code. All right, here you have this tag, the pre-order tag, as well as the ETA with the specific date as another tag. So if there's any date that you have when that product will be restocked, you can just easily add that into this field here, and it will be displayed on the front end that the customer sees. All right, and then the product that has the out of stock tag is this one. It says out of stock, as well as all the stores say not available for in-store purchase. And then lastly, I just want to show you how I formatted these phone numbers to represent the Australian format. And I did that through the API, which is not formatted that way originally, as well as making them clickable for mobile devices with the underlined text decoration, which indicates that it's clickable, which is standard. All right. Well, if you're interested in implementing any of these features onto your Shopify store, go ahead and get in touch with me, and we can set up a free consultation to go over all the needs of your job and see if I'm a good fit for the job. And I would love to help you grow your business. Have a great day. Bye.